Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, remember last week's episode ended with Usfiso rescuing Unomusa from some guy who held Unomusa hostage. So the episode last week ended with the guy escaping through the window and the community was running after him. So this episode starts off with that scene. So anyway, the community guys is chasing after Ugai, but guys, Usfiso's like mbambeni. Gempela, the community guys, they hold Loa guy, Usfiso and his crew, they get to the guy. Usfiso's taking out his handcuffs. He's like, hey when uhlukumeza amantombazana when what's that like? Let his sandla. He handcuffs Ugai and he's like, Asambe. He puts him or he leads him to the police van. The community is riled up at this point. Abanye are screaming, Mbappe. Abanye are screaming, Uzolale Chelengenkani Lona. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, we see Usfiso. He is at the police station and he's trying to get a statement from Unomusa. Guys, Unomusa is not looking fine. And I kind of felt so guilty about this, guys, because when I was doing the reviews last week, I was just like, Unomusa, where was she going, Nomfana and whatnot? Because for some funny reason, there's this thing of girls like Abonomusa, because there's an assumption, Uguti, they like men and they've got many children from different type of men, that when maybe at Duga, guys, you just assume Uguti, ay, vele, uzobuye. Kanti, guys, in this day and age, it's not always like that. So anyway, Usfiso akhiphe incwadi yakhe and his pen. He then says kuNomusa, khuleka sisi, sesidlulile manje, sekuzolunga. Ngizodinga ukuthi ungichazele izinto ezimbalwa ukuthi usuku lwakho luhambe kanjani. UNomusa then says, sahlangana 2 weeks ago. Engumuntu ongathi uthanda ama-jokes, ekhulekile, ngamthanda nami ke. Shuthi ke, bokumele ukuthi sihlangane at the pageant. She looks at Usfiso, she's like, ngiyazi ke njalo ukuthi so uyangijaja. Usfiso's like, cha, awunjalo. UNomusa goes on. She says, kodwa into ongeke uyazi, yikuthi ngangizizwa ngiphephile. She starts crying. Sihleka. Umnandi, sengithi ngicala ukuhamba, umuntu wavela washintsha. I swear he completely changed. Sabathi ngicala ukuhamba, ngicala ungidedele, wavesana wakhiya emnyango. UNomusa's crying there, guys. Usfiso then says, awusho. Ukulimazile. UNomusa, as she's crying, she nods her head to say yes. And obviously, what Usfiso was alluding to is, did he you that R-A-P-E-D? Did he R-A-P-E-D you? And UNomusa with her head said yes, you guys. Guys, my heart was so painful because, like I said, there's just an assumption when people like Abonomusa go missing, we just assume ukuthi ay vele bajwayele. But guys, please, if you have a family member or vele is somewhat like UNomusa, when you see umuntu is missing, hambo report ukuthi they're missing, don't always assume ukuthi the person is out gallivanting, because they are held as hostage or they are held in a place against their will. Next scene, we see the Shongwane family. They are having supper. This is Uzenzo, uNomfundo noma wakhe uMashabalala. Uzethu's not there. We know ukuthi usebenza eklinikhi, guys, hectic hours or whatnot, but she was not there. So unga angene, guys, unga's in a good mood. Remember unga phela, he stole money from a tavern to pay a bribe enzele ezofumana umsebenzi. So unga mele ngene endlini, he's like, hamden wami omuhle, hey, niyaphila kodwa kudliwani namhlanje? Kubukeka ngathi kumnandi nje. Ukhona okunye ma? Mashabalala looks at Unga. She's like, hayi bunga. Wajabula kangaka? Wenze njani? Unga's like, how ma? I guess sithi nje impilo yami seyizoshintsha njengamanje. He looks at uNomfundo because he's sitting down at the table now. He's like, Fufu, benzala ukuthi check amakhala laphayana of the phone that you like. Ubuye uzotshela ubhuti wakho ukuthi ufuna ifone enjani. uNomfundo then says, yithi unamanga bhuti. Unga then says, ngiyakutshela ma, vala uthole i-quotation yamakhabede asekhishini. Nathi sekuyisikhathi ukuthi aphume manje. Ngifuna nje ukuwakhipha kahle kahle yonke nje le ndlu idinga ukulungiswa nje. He's looking around pies like to see what else needs fixing. He goes on to say, bese sizalapha Wena ngwane, he looks at Uzenzo. If you could get me nje, abantu abambalwa, who can help me fix i-workshop yakho? Ngifuna ibe right. Ibe yabo, ibe ya. Uzenzo looks at him. He's like, wengarate. Unga then says, yebo baba. Uzenzo then says, uzoyithathaphi imali yokwenza zonke lezi zinto? Yini? Usuthwene manje? Ungaza gawu baba, cha. Ake sithi nje, nali ithuba elavele lazizela la kumina. Uzenzo then says, heliphi lelo thuba? Unga then says, ake sithi, angikwazi ukukhuluma ngalo njengamanje. I don't want to jinx it baba. Umashabalala then says, ayike, asithembe ke mfanami ukuthi lo mfana lo usibonele. Ufike nendaba ezinhle kakhulu. Konke kuzohamba kahle njengamanje. So excited that guys uyahleka. Uzenzo looks at his wife. He's like, Mashengu, musa uphupuzela lo mfana lo. Ukuthi aqhubeke nalezi nganekwane lezi azixoxela zona. Heliphi iphupho lakhe elalafezeka nje. Mention just one. Uyabona manje, he's getting uNomfundo's hopes up for nothing. Unga then says, fufu, ngitheni. Bheka wena amafoni, bheka umbala wefoni oyifonayo uyezwa ungitshele ke. He's laughing there. Aba guys uchazekile. Uzenza then says, ngaranje mfanami. Unga then says, baba. Uzenza then says, are you messing up your job because you think that something will come up soon? Unga then says, how baba? Ngiyazi nje. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, Unga is counting his eggs before they hatch. And listen, the way he's measuring and announcing to everyone. Anyway, next scene, we see Uvusi and uNomfundo. They are walking back from Esikolweni. Remember, Uvusi is Usifiso's younger brother. uNomfundo is Uzethu's younger sister. Guys, you can see ukuthi cutie njani. So anyway, Uvusi then says kuNomfundo, uyabona ke indaba ye-maths, you need to practice it every day. uNomfundo then says, kunini ngizama kodwa? Uvusi then says, navele. Kumele ukuthi uyizame, unokuyiphinda-phinda, uyizame nje bese izongena la ekhanda. Mawenza njalo, uzoyibona impumelelo yakhona. And then he's like, khona lokho engikuphathele khona. He opens his bag, guys. He takes out something. He takes out a chocolate, guys. That time it's a slab. Yeah, chocolate, but it's a half. Shooty, he was eating chocolate, guys, and then he thought of uNomfundo, and that's why maybe he put it away. So he takes it out. He reaches or he gives uNomfundo the chocolate. uNomfundo looks at him. Uvushi's like, oh, mungayifuni, because he's thinking ukuthi akayifuni, because uNomfundo just kind of froze. uNomfundo's like, cha, ngiyabonga. She takes it. She's blushing, guys. She can't believe ukuthi such a sweet gesture ukuthi he thought of her. Uvusi then says, iyintandokazi yami. uNomfundo's like, nam futhi. What does that uthi ngizobola amazinyo? Uvusi's like, how? And they both laugh. He's like, ihabele ingaka. Uchocolate nje kuphela. She takes out a piece out of the chocolate wrapper. She breaks it. She gives it to him. And he's like, oh, ngiyabonga. At that point, I was just like, how Uvusi ahala. You already ate half of the chocolate. Why are you still having more? Let uNomfundo enjoy her chocolate. So as they're speaking like that, uNomalanga catches up with them. And she's like, and then, wenzakalani lana? uNomfundo is blushing. She's like, lutho. uNomalanga's like, Nina? And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, girl, we see Unga. He is Gwashwabi, guys. He's busy banging on tables. He's like, yay, nalelani lana. The customers are then like, yini wasibangela umsindo yini. Unga's like, ningizwe kahle. Ningathi ukuthi angingitshelanga. Niyangizwa? I will be driving a machine yemoto soon. Bababaza abantu. They're like, ayibo, uzoyitholaphi? Uzoyithathaphi? Unga's like, nizobona ukuthi ngizoyithathaphi. I'm talking about a mean German machine. Bra Joe, he turns to this one customer. Bra Joe, umashonisa wasendaweni. He then says, Unga goes on to say, ngizoba ngiphuza iziphuzo ezila phezulu, izinto ezikhala kahle. Bra Joe then says, uthini manje? So ubambe ilotho yini? Ungazaphi lutho. Bra Joe then says, I'm mhlawumbe uyaphupha. Uphupha ilanga libalele. Ungaza, Bra Joe, it's something better than that. Uyabona khona maduze. Ngizobe ngihleli ehofisini ngishawa i-aircon. Uyayazi i-aircon bracho, izinto zabelungu lezi. Ngizonishiya la staring at one another playing le pool yenu, this silly game yenu. Hayi nale ndawo kaShwabi. It's very stuffy man. Iyanuka nje ay. And then ubracho then says awusho. Uzosebenza kowaphi ama-office? I'm just like, guys, the way guy is seeing himself, selathi indawo kaShwabi iyanuka. Then says awukahle bracho. Angeke ngikwazi ukutshela ama-details njengamanje. Ngoba nina niyazazi ukuthi niyathalatha ngey'nhliziyo zenu. Angithi niyazazi ukuthi ninjani. Ubracho then says, uyabona-ke nomthakathi lo. Uzoqhamuka sekafuna u-500 wakhe. Guys, borrowed u-500 from ubracho. Khululeka. Ubracho's like, plus interest phezulu. Khululeka. Don't worry, bracho. I got you. Some girl guys within the tavern walks up to her. She then says, uyabona-ke, mosungenile, ungangikhohlwa. Angeke ngikukhohle yezwa. Girl walks away and she blows the kiss kunga. Songishaya nangokhissi, ayibo isukile. Uyabona ngomholo wami wokuqala. Ngizonithengela nonke la iphuzo. Nina nizozishola ukuthi ngingubani. Nizongibiza njengo-Abigail. Baba ngalaje. Yebo. Usibonelo guys, Baba, he's also there. I didn't even see him. Usibonelo is concerned. He's like, ngaraje. Woza la. Yini manje? Yini? Ungazi like awungani. Usibonelo zakwenzani. Why umemezela abantu yonke lento? Ungazi awukahle. Usibonelo zathi akekho ofuna ukwazi indaba zakho lana. Ungazi kahle hawubafo. Labantu mene bangazi ukuthi ngubani mfowethu. Kade bembukela phansi labantu. Isikhathi samanje. Uvukile umalambana. Yey nina, uyabona mina. Nizongibiza ngoboss ngiyanitshela. Nizongizwa kahle ukuthi ngubani mina. Esokile, yebo. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, I even have a feeling the only reason why Usibonelo was kinda feeling nervous about the way Unga was measuring is maybe in case or when he vanishes nemali kanga, then not everyone's gonna know about it. He's gonna continue scamming many people. Nah, guys, I don't buy the story. Next scene, we still was there to she is at Unomusa's house. Unomusa then says, Onke lokhu, uyiphutha la mangithi. Uzethi then says, Haibo. Ini, as she's speaking like that, ingane kaNomusa ingene. Uboy-ke then says, Ma, iphi imoto yami? Unomusa then says, ngicela uyayibheka ngaphansi kombhede yezwa? Mbana ma? And then amlokhuze, they kiss, and then the child walks out. Uzethi then says, Nomusa sisi, ngicela ungilalele kahle. Ukuhengulwa, yinto embi kakhulu. Akukaze nangolodwa usuku. Being the victim's fault. Uyangiza mama. Unomusa then says, manje tshela mina. Ubani ozongikhola, Ngoba vele ngiyavuma, ngalala naye. Kodwa ukulala kwami naye, ngilale naye kanye. Wezinye iy'nkathi waseyithathela, eyithathela. Ngilokho ngithi cha. Uzethi then says Nomusa. Unomusa then says, abantu bazothi nginamanga. Naye-ke uzothi nginamanga. Uzethu gets up, she hugs Unomusa, and Unomusa then says, Bengiapi. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, I think this is teaching us so well about consent. The fact that she said yes to a person kanye doesn't mean ukuthi the next time bangazithathela without your consent. That is not right. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there because that's where the scene ends. That's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.